Today, I'm going to teach you how to enhance PDF quality using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful when you're working with scanned documents that might appear blurry or difficult to read, and you need them to look crisp and professional. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature is specifically designed for this edition. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface where you can access all your documents and tools. Now navigate to the Recent Files section. This is typically displayed on the home screen and shows you the documents you've been working with lately. From here, select the file you want to enhance. If your file isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can always browse for it using the Open File option, but chances are if you've been working on it, it'll be right there waiting for you. Once your PDF is open, look to the upper left corner of your screen and click on All Tools. This opens up the complete toolkit that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC offers, giving you access to a wide range of features beyond just viewing PDFs. It's the hub for all advanced editing and optimization options. In the left sidebar that appears, you'll need to scroll down a bit and click on View More. This expands the list of available tools, revealing additional options that aren't immediately visible. From this expanded list, select Scan and OCR. This tool is specifically designed to work with scanned documents and images that have been converted to PDF format. After clicking on Scan and OCR, you'll see a new panel open on the left side of your screen. Here, click on Enhance Scanned File. This feature is the key to improving the quality of your PDF, as it uses Adobe's advanced algorithms to sharpen text, clean up backgrounds, and make your document much more readable and professional looking. Next, you'll see an Enhance button appear. Go ahead and click it to start the enhancement process. This initiates Adobe's optimization engine, which will analyze your document and apply improvements automatically. Now you'll need to wait for a few seconds while Adobe processes your file. The time this takes depends on the size and complexity of your PDF, but for most documents, it's pretty quick. You'll see a progress indicator on screen, and it's important not to close the document or navigate away while this is happening, as it could interrupt the enhancement process. And that's it. Your PDF quality has now been enhanced with sharper text, clearer images, and an overall more professional appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.